Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can scrape unlimited leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get a list of leads like this one at the end with the first name, last name, a LinkedIn URL, the emails, of course, of your leads, and much more informations that you can use, and all of that at a very good price. So if you want to have a button like this one, extract leads, you need to use a third-party tool like GiveMeLeads. So if you want to try GiveMeLeads for free, you just need to go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description, and then here you can create your free account. Once you've created your account, if you want to have this button on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you need to install the GiveMeLeads Chrome extension. And then once you are happy with the search and you want to export these people, all you need to do is to click here on Extract Leads. Then you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say for this tutorial, 200. And here just below, you can say that you want the emails of your leads. Then you click on Export Leads. And now you see the export is currently running. So we need to wait 6 minutes. And it takes a little bit of time because we are very cautious for the safety of your LinkedIn account. So while GiveMeLeads is exporting my leads, I want to talk about the pricing. So unlike most LinkedIn Sales Navigator scrapers, with GiveMeLeads, with the unlimited plan, you can export unlimited leads. So it means that if you want, you can scrape 2K, 10K, or even 50K leads per month, and all of that at the same price, so $99 per month. So basically with this plan, you don't spend your credit when you scrape a lead on Sales Navigator, but only when we find a verified email. All right, so let's go back on GiveMeLeads. And here you see that my export is done. Here you see that I can download the file as a CSV, Excel, or if you want, you can just open your lead list in Google Sheets. So let's click on Download CSV. So here is my list of 200 leads, which is perfect. Now on top, you have all the information you need, like the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. Of course, you have the emails of your leads, job title, location, and actually you have much more information. For example, company name, company website, company location, company industry, and so on. Now, when you export leads with GiveMeLeads, we do two things. So first, we clean the data. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with rocket emoji like this in the first name. And the second thing we do is to check if your leads match your filters or not. So that's why on the left, you see two columns, matches filters and invalid reason. So when it's true, it means the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you will see some people with false. So here you see false, and here you have the reason. So here we have wrong job title, and here we have wrong company size. So if we check the job title, we have head of community, VP of US Sales and Marketing, Head of Partnerships, Sales Lead, and Head of Research and Intelligence. And on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I said that I want only people who are Head of Sales. So with this feature, what you can do is to keep some leads if they are still relevant, or just to remove all of them like this. And by doing that, you make sure that you only have people who perfectly match all your filters. So this is the exact workflow you can use to export unlimited leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get a list of leads like this one with all the information you need. So if you want to try for free GiveMeLeads, you just need to go on GiveMeLeads.io, or you have the link in the description. And now, if you want to see in details how you can find decision makers on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I've made a complete tutorial on that. So if you want to check this video, you just need to click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.